most famous public speakers, those who seem effortlessly charismatic and confident, experience nervousness before they step onto the stage. It's completely normal to feel anxious about speaking in front of a crowd. In fact, the nervous energy can be a powerful tool if you know how to harness it. The key is to transform that nervousness into confidence. But how exactly do you do that? It starts with understanding what public speaking anxiety is and then using proven strategies to build your confidence. Public speaking anxiety, often called stage fright, manifests in various physical symptoms. You might feel your hands trembling, experience dry mouth, start sweating, or even feel your heart racing. These reactions are your body's way of responding to stress and fear. Psychologically, this anxiety often stems from a fear of judgment or failure. It's the worry that we might say the wrong thing or that the audience won't respond positively to what we have to say. Understanding that these reactions are normal and shared by many can be the first step towards overcoming them. One of the most effective ways to combat public speaking anxiety is through preparation. The more prepared you are, the more confident you'll feel. Practicing your speech in front of a mirror allows you to become familiar with your material and your delivery. It helps you see how you come across and gives you a chance to tweak your body language and facial expressions. For example, if you're preparing for a job interview, practicing your answers in front of a mirror can make you more comfortable with your responses and boost your confidence. Another great way to prepare is through role-playing. This involves simulating the speaking experience with a friend or a colleague, whether it's an interview or a presentation. Practicing in realistic setting can help you get used to the environment and reduce anxiety when the real event comes around. To manage anxiety, it's also helpful to know a variety of calming techniques. One effective method is the 4-7-8 breathing technique. This involves inhaling for 4 seconds, holding your breath for 7 seconds, and then exhaling for 8 seconds. This exercise can help calm your nervous system and reduce anxiety right before you step up to speak. Another calming technique is progressive muscle relaxation. This involves tensing and relaxing different muscle groups in your body. By doing this, you can release physical tension and enter a more relaxed state, which is especially useful before speaking in public. Building confidence in public speaking often requires gradually exposing yourself to speaking situations. Begin with low-stakes speaking opportunities, like participating in a classroom discussion or speaking up in a small group. These smaller settings can help you get used to the act of speaking in front of others without the pressure of a large audience. As you become more comfortable, challenge yourself with larger audiences. Maybe start by giving a presentation to a small group. Then move on to speaking in front of a larger audience. Gradually increasing the size of your audience can help you build your confidence over time. Visualization and affirmations are powerful tools for building confidence. Try imagining yourself delivering a successful speech at a major event. Picture the audience responding positively and feel the sense of accomplishment. This exercise can help create a positive mental image of public speaking, making you more confident when the real moment comes. Using affirmations. Positive affirmations can also boost your self-confidence. Phrases like "I'm well prepared and capable" can reinforce your belief in your abilities. Repeating these affirmations to yourself before speaking can help you set a positive tone. Having a strong support system can make a big difference in building public speaking confidence. Consider joining public speaking groups like Toastmasters or forming study groups where you can practice speaking regularly. These groups provide a supportive environment where you can receive constructive feedback and encouragement. Finding a mentor or supportive peers can also be incredibly helpful. They can offer guidance, share their own experiences, and provide feedback that helps you grow as a speaker. Remember that making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process. Instead of viewing mistakes as failures, try to see them as opportunities to learn and improve. Many famous speakers, like Martin Luther King Jr. and Winston Churchill, made mistakes early in their careers, but learned from them and built resilience. Embracing this mindset can help you overcome setbacks and continue to grow. To build confidence in public speaking, it's essential to understand and manage your anxiety. Prepare thoroughly, practice calming techniques, gradually expose yourself to larger speaking opportunities, use positive visualization and affirmations, build a support system, and learn from mistakes.